Hey guys, welcome back to another edition of the Market Preview. My name is Vasily, I'm a trading coach and professional forex trader. You know, it is the 7th day of the quarantine and the measures that the government takes becoming stricter and stricter and stricter. And I'm wondering if just in 1 or 2 weeks the market preview will look like that. For today's edition we will discuss with you Euro pair, gold, and I will show you the trade that we took with my... Hope not. Looks quite weird. So today we will discuss gold, Euro pair, and I will show you the trade on the nat gas that I shared with my students during this week. Hope you enjoy that and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. Chart. And as always, executing the top-down analysis, we start the analysis from a daily time frame. And key thing to notice on the daily time frame is that just look what happened with the market on Thursday and on Friday. We saw a very strong wave to the downside, and finally on Thursday, what happened? The market reached the key level of structure. And if we look left with you and check where the Thursday candle closed, we can easily see a key structure on the left. The key structure support right here. But moreover, look at these rejections. Look at these rejection candles. That the price action during March and the Thursday's price action. Every time rejection and rejection, if we draw the horizontal line on this rejection, it is the key structure low, key structure area, yeah? So it looks like this scenario of March can repeat right now. You can see that the market was rejected and then it bounced. We saw a crazy bounce. Then one more time, once again, same test, same rejection, and then bounce, yeah? So I think here next week we can catch a very interesting long trade based on the strong structure area. But for the confirmation, for the execution of this trade, we're going to apply the lower time frame analysis. And I will show you something interesting on the 1 hour chart. So now I'm on the 1 hour chart. And on the 1 hour chart, the first thing to pay attention to is the falling channel that we can easily notice right here. Here goes the support of the channel. And here goes the resistance of the channel, yeah? So decent parallel channel, and this channel will be very, very important for our future analysis here. Pay attention to the price action during the last 2 days. Clearly it started to coil. The market right now is in the sideways market, but moreover, here within this channel, if I take away these horizontal lines, what we can notice is the clear reversal pattern. You know what? It is the clear ascending triangle formation. Here it goes. Here is our ascending triangle formation. Yes. So why this ascending triangle is important for us? This ascending formation is important for us because it will give us a perfect confirmation to buy the market. So during Monday, during Tuesday, pay attention to the resistance of this ascending formation. What we will be looking for? We will be looking for the bullish breakout of this ascending formation and then the retest of broken resistance to buy the market, yeah? So my plan is the following. I want at least 2 1-hour candles to close above the resistance of this triangle. Then I will open the buy limit order. I will open the buy limit order right here. And for the initial target, I will aim at this 118.2 level over here. This level will be the perfect initial target based on structure. Stop for this trade will be clearly below the low high, below the high low right here. It will be a perfect stop for the protection against the occasional fluctuations. And for the second target, we can expect the price to go higher. And for the second target, I will aim at this level, the 119 level. I believe it will be the perfect second target for the trade. And here, just for this trade, we have bigger than 2 to 1 risk to reward. So pretty decent risk to reward for this trade. But remember, before execution of this trade, we are looking for these conditions to be met. If the market breaks this triangle, this will be also the breakout of our falling channel. So we will have kind of the double confirmation that will dramatically increase the chances that the market will reach our targets. And remember that if the market just violates the triangle, if it goes lower and sets new lower low, our setup just invalid and we just don't trade at all. Then we're just looking for another reversal formation and repeat such kind of process, yeah? So pretty interesting, and let's pay attention how your yen unfolds during next week. So during this week we saw a very similar setup on the natural gas. You can see that the price was trading in the same kind of the parallel channel, falling parallel channel. And clearly here we saw a minor horizontal resistance. On Friday the market is finally broke above this resistance and then retested that, giving us the perfect chance to enter the trade and to buy the market, catching this very impulsive bullish continuation. So you see that such kind of approach works, and if you systematically apply it, if you continue apply the same rules again and again and again, you always will have edge over the market, yeah? So follow your yen, and if you just need the working example, open the natural gas and follow how the market traded during this week and try to get the logic behind the setup that I proposed, yeah? So now let's discuss gold. So the last instrument in our radar for today is gold. And yeah guys, to be honest with you, during this week I was watching the breakout of this horizontal range right here, and I was one of those who shorted the breakout of this range, expecting the strong movement to the downside. And yeah, this was a losing trade for me, and we see right now that the market was not willing to go lower. Yeah, so now I'm looking for the adjustments in my trading plan, and here, if you're on a bullish side, and remember, trend is still bullish right here. On the long run, gold remains bullish and our bias is still bullish right here. So to catch the bullish wave, right now the best option will be to focus on this horizontal resistance over here and wait for a breakout trade. So the best option is to let it break this resistance right here and then buy on pullback, expecting the continuation to current market highs, yes? So pay attention to this 1680 level for the initial target. I guess this level will be the perfect initial target for the long trade, yeah? But first, be patient and let it break this resistance first. See the breakout, see the 4-hour candle close above this resistance, and then buy on pullback or just aggressively, yeah? But also here we have potential short opportunity, and this short opportunity will be on the 1-hour chart. So gold, 1-hour chart. And here what you should do, you should pay attention to the rising wedge formation. Look, here goes our support of the wedge, yes, and it is now considered to be confirmed. By the way, we have more than 3 touches of its support already, so it is clearly a decent structure support for the market. So yeah, so this wedge right here, here goes its resistance. This wedge pattern is truly important. It is truly important because right now the market is closer and closer to identified structural resistance, yes? And here we can even make it larger right here. We can expand it on 1 hour and make it a bit wider right here. Yeah, so this is our resistance for now. This is our strong resistance, and from this resistance the market still can drop to the downside. So your task right here is to let the market trade within the wedge, let it coil within the wedge, and once it reaches our resistance, once it reaches the underlined strong structural resistance, look for a breakout trade, but to the downside. If on 4-hour chart we are waiting for the bullish breakout of the resistance, on 1-hour chart, pay attention to the breakout of the wedge to the downside, of the support of the wedge to the downside, because it can give us a perfect breakout trade, expecting the drop to the downside. Yes, in case of the breakout of the wedge, for targets, the initial target will be clearly at this 1600 level. This is the strong structure support, and it will be the perfect level for the initial target. And for the second target, you can look at this 1575 level right here, this level. So two targets trade, we trade the breakout of the wedge. Either we can trade it aggressively, I will trade it on pullback, and here somewhere will be the entry. Stop will be above the highest point of the wedge, the higher high within the wedge. So the potential profits here can be very, very high. Yes, and as on the 4-hour, you should first patiently wait. You can see that it doesn't matter next week where gold is going. If it goes to the upside, we trade the bullish breakout on 4-hour. If it goes down, if it breaks our wedge pattern to the downside, we short it. Yes, so just adjust your trading plan. Adjust your trading plan and do what market does. Yes, follow the market. Don't trade what you want to see, but trade what you see and what market shows you, what price action shows you. Yeah, so pay attention to gold. Two trading opportunities for you. Both are very, very, very highly probable. For now, we don't know what's gonna happen, and we don't really care what's gonna happen. We just react. Yeah, so that's it. Alright guys, thank you for watching and thank you for being here. Don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to this channel. If you're looking for more ideas, you can always join my Telegram channel, Twitter, Facebook, TradingView. I post a lot everywhere, so you are welcome everywhere. And if you have some question, if you have something to ask, feel free to leave your question in the comment section. Yeah, so see you next week guys, and good luck.